Welcome to DCU, and thanks for joining us on this bird's eye tour of Ireland's University of Enterprise and Transformation. We're going to show you the places and facilities you need to know about on our 3 academic campuses, all located within a 2.5 kilometre radius and home to over 18,000 students. First up, let's pay a flying visit to the Helix. Standing at the top of the mall, it's Ireland's best purpose-built venue and hosts everything from gigs to graduations to TV shows like Ireland's Got Talent and The Voice of Ireland. Right next door to the Helix is the Henry Grattan building. This is the hub of student life for arts, humanities and social sciences courses at DCU, with 2 radio studios, a fully equipped TV studio, a photography studio and 3 Mac labs. Here, law students get real-world experience in the moot courtroom, while the Henry Grattan state-of-the-art language labs give students a place to practice and prepare for their future careers. Heading west again, you'll find the Interfaith Centre, which serves as a non-denominational base for students and staff, hosting celebrations for all faiths and none. Next door, you'll find the U, DCU's main student centre, the centre of campus life here on the Glasnevin campus. The U is home to the Students' Union, clubs and societies, the College Bar and the Venue, which holds concerts, comedy gigs and other student events throughout the year. Sports, health and well-being are core to university life, which explains why the nearby DCU Sports Centre is always buzzing with activity. It includes a 25-metre swimming pool, sauna and steam rooms and high-performance gym staffed by our enthusiastic professional instructors. And just a short walk away, you'll find top-class GAA, rugby and soccer pitches. With all of this available, you won't be surprised to learn that DCU has been named Sports College of the Year for both 2020 and 2019. DCU's award-winning on-campus accommodation is just a stone's throw from the sports complex. For many people, living away from home is an important part of the university experience. It's good to know that DCU has 1,400 purpose-built residences for undergraduate and postgraduate students on our Glasnevin, St Patrick's and All Hallows campuses. Perfect if you're looking for somewhere clean, modern, comfortable, safe and within easy reach of all your activities. And DCU has created a new student-friendly model for student accommodation to take account of COVID-19. At the bottom of the mall, you'll find the wonderful O'Reilly Library, which has a huge range of print resources, as well as 250,000 online journal papers to support your study. The library has quiet individual study spaces, open spaces for collaborative work with classmates, and 18 study rooms equipped with plasma screens and whiteboards. Just next to the library is the School of Computing, located in the McNulty building. The school has a strong reputation for excellence in research and teaching, offering degree programs that cover the wide spectrum of digital technologies in modern society. With state-of-the-art labs, small class sizes and industry-relevant modules, the school produces highly sought-after graduates with the professional and personal skills to thrive in today's information economy. And if science is your passion, then welcome to the Faculty of Science and Health, located in the Lonsdale building. Comprising 7 schools and 10 research centres, the faculty is an internationally recognised centre of excellence in scientific innovation and health transformation. Here you'll have access to the best equipment, labs and cutting-edge courses in subjects that are helping to transform the world around us. At the Collins Avenue entrance to the campus, you'll find the School of Nursing, Psychotherapy and Community Health and the School of Psychology. Nursing students learn the clinical skills of nursing in the supportive and realistic environment of the Clinical Education Centre. It's a short hop from here to the Stokes building, home to DCU's School of Electronic Engineering and the School of Mechanical and Manufacturing Engineering. As an engineer, you can find yourself at the heart of just about any field, from high-tech industry and medicine to financial services, energy-aware technologies and biotechnology. The Faculty of Engineering and Computing has a strong reputation for research, producing top graduates into Ireland's STEM and technology sectors. Our last stop on this flying visit to DCU's Glasnevin campus is DCU Business School. It's ranked in the top 5% of business schools worldwide and is accredited by AACSB, the oldest and most prestigious global accrediting body for business schools. Courses here are continuously adapting, producing top students in global business, finance and marketing. The quality of teaching, small class sizes and high levels of industry engagement make DCU business graduates stand out. Time to move. Let's take a look now at DCU St Patrick's campus in Drumcondra. Home to the DCU Institute of Education, Ireland's only faculty of education, this historic campus is Ireland's leading centre of learning for aspiring teachers and educators. With over 4,000 students, the Institute brings together students of education across all levels. From early childhood to primary and post-primary and further education and training, the Institute provides graduates with the knowledge, understanding and skills needed to excel in a variety of educational settings. The modern 4-storey Cregan Library offers state-of-the-art facilities and panoramic views of Dublin from the top floor. The Institute has a host of excellent educational resources, such as the language labs, art rooms, the Lego Innovation Studio and the Minecraft room are used for developing the educators of tomorrow. Meanwhile, our on-campus accommodation has 240 rooms. Time now to visit DCU's All Hallows campus. Just a short 3-minute walk away from our St Patrick's campus, this is another site that's steeped in history. Purcell House is a 4-storey late 19th century cut-stone building, providing on-campus accommodation and lecture halls. Drumcondra House is one of the oldest buildings on campus. Linking Drumcondra House to other buildings at the rear is the Long Corridor. This houses the main dining room. Also located here is DCU's International Office, as well as the School of English, Fionntar agus Scoil na Gaeilge, and the School of Theology, Philosophy and Music. Senior House contains classrooms as well as computer and Mac rooms. O'Donnell House contains a variety of lecture rooms, offices and accommodation for students. At the centre of the campus is All Hallows Chapel. This beautiful Gothic-style church is noted for its magnificent stained glass windows, including the exquisite rose window dominating the organ balcony. That brings us to the end of our virtual tour. Thanks for joining us on this flying visit to DCU's academic campuses. We hope to see you here soon.